you're a freelancer and you don't have these 5 tools, you're slowing yourself down and you don't know it. Hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, as always, and it's been long. I kind of did like an educational video. I've just been doing motivational, and I'm tired. So today I'll be telling you about 5 tools that every freelancer should know about and should have in their arsenal. Let's get started. Number 1 is Notion. Now, if you're a freelancer, a content creator, a content marketer, a social media marketer, you might already know this tool. But for those that don't know this tool, Notion is basically like a workspace for freelancers. So any of these roles I just mentioned, you can use it to create a document, write an article. You can use it to brainstorm ideas because it has AI embedded in it. You can use it to schedule meetings if you're working with a team. You can use it for reminders, set it in your calendars. You can use Notion alone to basically manage your entire clientele. I don't even need to use another app. So if you're not already using Notion, now you know, try it out. Number 2, GoLogin. So GoLogin is basically a proxy system. It's for managing multiple accounts online without getting banned. If you're a freelancer, you're a content creator, you're a social media marketer, you're a content marketing strategist, you know how hard it is to manage clients abroad, especially if you're in Nigeria or countries where so many things are restricted from you. You just want to open a site and you see that it's restricted. GoLogin can basically help you bypass those issues. So you can basically switch between different browser profiles with unique IP addresses. Or if you're worried about security, it helps protect online activity. So far, so good. I've used it and I've not had any issues. It can help you access blocked sites. For example, this CV library that I'm going to put on the screen here, it's a job site to companies in the UK. I have been trying for the longest time to apply there. It is blocked in my location, my geolocation. It is off use. So I tried using GoLogin to access the site and it works because I placed it to be under United Kingdom. You can basically choose the countries you want. I was able to open the CV library websites, even though I didn't apply for the job anymore, but at least I know that I can be able to access it using GoLogin. And I know they come with 2 gigabytes of free residential proxies, so you can work securely from anywhere. Yeah, so before I forget, I have a referral link. I'm going to drop the referral link in my description, so keep an eye out for it. I will drop it on the screen so you know, then I'll drop it in the description so that you can check it out if it's something you want to try out. Moving on to the next tool, Google Workspace. I know I have mentioned this over and over again. Why? Because it's important. Like, we basically have Google Docs, Google Sheets, meetings, calendar, Google Drive. And why aren't you using any of these tools to manage your content calendar, to manage your portfolio, to manage your articles, to manage your content calendar? Again, I said content calendar, but basically it's important. So if you're a freelancer, you're not using any of these tools, I need to ask you one question. Do you like suffering? Because these are basically free tools. And with Google Workspace, you will know that all of your information are backed up to the cloud. It's going to be backed up to the cloud. So you will not say, oh, my system crashed and I can't access it. Oh, I'm not my system, I won't be able to access it. It is accessible as long as you have a phone or you have access to your Gmail account. Use it. The next tool, Grammarly. So if you're a content writer and you write articles and you don't pass it through Grammarly, I'm sorry to tell you, but do you know that it's not all mistakes your eyes can catch? And I'm sure you don't want to look incompetent when you send the article to your boss or to the client and they are seeing errors. There's I instead of T. There are different displacements. There's no punctuation marks. Grammarly is basically there to help you out with it, to spot what you can't spot, to rephrase what you don't know is supposed to be rephrased. But then you're writing blog posts, you're writing proposals, you're writing emails, use Grammarly. Would you? I'm basically begging you guys. Now the last tool, Asana. Now, I have not heard a lot of creators talk about Asana, and I don't know why, but it's actually a pretty great tool, just like Notion. So think Notion, but with a more playful workspace. So I used Asana when I was a social media marketer and a web content writer, and I realized that creating content calendars with that was actually super easy and fun. I was able to move things around. And the fact that I can assign tasks to myself, assign tasks to my teammates, tag my boss, and I don't know why, but I like it when I'm done with the task and I tick it and my boss says, oh, Naomi is done. I feel so happy. I feel so competent. I am on top of this world. I'm sorry, that went out of hand. But it's kind of like a great project management tool. I prefer social media marketers to use it more than content creators. I don't know why. Even content marketing strategists can use it, but I think it's more fun for the social media marketing team, if you get my drift. So you should actually check Asana. I'm not able to get a video for this tool because my trial period has expired and I can't get it. But you guys should check it out if you have the time. Anyway, these are the 5 tools that every freelancer should be using. Whether you're a content creator, you're a proposal writer, you're a social media strategist, social media marketer, whatever. As long as you're a freelancer, you should try out these tools so that you don't get slowed down in your work and everything goes easy peasy, easy peasy. Anyway guys, that's it for today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.